Is AirPlay not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max? You can't cast media to other devices like your Mac or Smart TVs. They don't show up on AirPlay, keeps loading and trying to connect. Or you get the unable to connect error. Here's how you get AirPlay to work in minutes. First of all, make sure both your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And you should also go to Settings, General, then AirPlay and Continuity. First open Automatically AirPlay and keep it to either Ask or Automatic. Also, scroll all the way to the bottom and turn on AirPlay Receiver. It can be required for any connection type, even though it says Vision Pro at the bottom. Also, you need to double check that AirPlay is also enabled on the other device that you're trying to connect. For example, if you're having trouble AirPlaying to a Mac device, then you need to go to your Mac device's AirDrop and handoff settings, turn on AirPlay Receiver, click on Allow AirPlay for, and select anyone on the same network or everyone. If these settings weren't the issue, then you should give both your iPhone and the other device a forced restart. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up, then the volume down button, and right after that hold down the side button, as long as the Apple logo doesn't appear. Then try AirPlay once again. And it's also recommended that you keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS. In case you can't AirPlay content just from a specific app, then you probably have location disabled for that settings. Then let's open up Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps. Now find the app that's causing trouble, open it, and toggle on Local Network. Now you should be able to use AirPlay on that app. In case it still isn't working for you, then you can try AirPlaying to a different device. If it's able to do that, then it's probably not your iPhone. But if your iPhone can't AirPlay to any device, then let's try opening Settings, go to General, and scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset, Reset, and from these options, select Reset Network Settings. This won't erase any data, but you'll need to connect back to Wi-Fi. If you can also go to Reset All Settings for peace of mind. And after following these steps, you should be able to AirPlay your iPhone 17 to any compatible device. Let us know which portion helped, and I'll see you around.